Have you ever stumbled upon a bill or coin while out and about? It's a moment that often brings joy, especially when it's a more valuable find. On the other hand, we tend to overlook pennies or low-value coins simply because we don't want to bend down. But did you know that there's a deeper spiritual significance behind these chance encounters with money on the street? Stay tuned as we uncover this hidden meaning together. Once you understand this, you'll never disregard a coin or bill again. Let's explore the spiritual message behind finding unexpected money on the street. Imagine discovering $50 on the ground. You would snatch it up instantly, right? It brings such immense joy. But let's be real. How often do you actually bother to bend down and pick up a penny or a 2-cent coin? Reflect on this. Do you usually just walk past them? Share your thoughts in the comments. Here's why you might want to reconsider. Many of us overlook these small coins out of sheer laziness. Sometimes we even drop a coin while paying and leave it behind. Sound familiar? Be honest, have you ever done this? Share your experiences in the comments. Let's delve into this together as a community. I'm sure each of us has been guilty of it at some point. We've all been there. Now, let me give you a compelling reason to stop and pick up money when you stumble upon it. The universe is not merely testing you, it's presenting you with an opportunity. It's nudging you to adopt an abundant mindset. Consider this. People with an abundant mindset flourish financially. Money flows to them effortlessly, and they feel supported by the universe. Conversely, those with a scarcity mindset often struggle with money. So how can you demonstrate to the universe that you are abundant and deserving of wealth, prosperity, and abundance? It's simple. Pick up that coin you find, and most importantly, be grateful for it, no matter how small. Ignoring those coins because they seem insignificant sends a message to your subconscious that you reject money and abundance, inviting more scarcity into your life. Gratitude for what you have attracts more blessings. Picking up that tiny coin and showing appreciation for it, regardless of its value, can actually enhance your finances. I challenge you to give it a try. It's a known fact that everything that is blessed and appreciated tends to grow. However, there's more to this story, so stay tuned. What I'm about to share next will truly surprise you. If you come across a coin on the street that you do not wish to keep, consider this. Instead of rejecting it, why not donate it to a church or give it to someone in need? This simple act of generosity has the potential to attract more wealth and abundance into your life. Think about the influence of small gestures. Imagine walking down the street, spotting a penny, and rather than ignoring it, you pick it up and contribute it to a cause. Such a small act can have a ripple effect and bring unexpected blessings your way. Remember, giving leads to receiving, but it's essential to give from the heart. Have you ever observed how some individuals always seem to have financial luck, continually stumbling upon opportunities? It's not merely coincidental. If you pick up a coin with genuine gratitude, the universe responds. This gratitude can pave the way for new opportunities such as a job offer, business proposals, a salary increase, a promotion, and numerous other financial benefits. By adopting this practice, you are aligning yourself with abundance. Let's consider an example. Picture yourself in a cafe and discover a dime under your table. While many might ignore it, you choose to pick it up and place it in a donation jar at the counter. This seemingly small act holds significant power. It conveys to the universe that you appreciate and value all forms of abundance. In return, you may start noticing more opportunities coming your way. Perhaps the following day, you receive a long-awaited job offer or an unexpected bonus at work. Embracing a mindset of abundance elevates your frequency, attracting even more abundance from the universe. Remember, we are magnetic beings. We attract what we emit. By dismissing money as insignificant, you are in fact turning away the potential for prosperity in your finances. Additionally, you're inadvertently welcoming poverty to persist in your life. Finding money unexpectedly is not merely luck, it's a chance to welcome abundance into your life. Imagine if every coin you stumble upon is a small sign from the universe urging you to stay on the path of abundance. The next time you spot a penny on the ground, view it as a test. By picking it up and expressing gratitude, you signal to the universe that you're prepared for more blessings. Reflect on historical figures or well-known individuals who embraced gratitude and generosity. Many successful people credit their wealth not only to hard work, but also to their mindset of abundance and gratitude. For instance, Oprah Winfrey often emphasizes the significance of gratitude in her life and how it has led to incredible opportunities. To begin, start small. Pick up every coin you find. Thank the universe and contemplate how you can use it to assist others. This practice has the potential to not only improve your financial situation, but also reshape your entire perspective on life. Finding money on the street is like receiving a special message, especially during tough times. It's akin to a bright neon sign indicating that good things like increased wealth and luck are on the horizon. Discovering a coin or bill on the ground is often associated with good luck and positive occurrences in the near future. It can feel as though your spirit companions or angels are giving you a subtle nudge of encouragement through life's challenges. Picture this scenario. You're facing a difficult situation, whether related to love, finances, health, or simply feeling isolated. Then you stumble upon a coin. It's like a gentle reminder from your spiritual allies, urging you to have faith in yourself and reassuring you that you are never alone. They are always there to support you, and your troubles are temporary. Paying attention to these signs is crucial as they carry significant meaning. Moreover, when life becomes overwhelmingly busy and you unexpectedly find money, it could be a signal to pause and take a moment to relax. Your spiritual companions are suggesting, hey, slow down, take a breather, and unwind amidst the chaos. It's vital to heed their guidance and prioritize self-care. Additionally, an endearing notion is the ability to connect with departed loved ones through money. You can communicate with them by requesting a sign. Simply engage in a conversation, asking for a small indication involving money to reassure you that everything is all right. They will go to great lengths to ensure you receive that sign.